Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to send a one-time view picture on Snapchat. A one-time view picture means that the person you send it to can only see it once and it won't be saved in the chat. Open Snapchat on your phone. Tap the camera icon at the bottom to take a photo or snap. Once you take your photo, look on the right side of the screen and tap on the clock icon. Now, make sure it's not set to no limit, because if it is, your snap can be viewed multiple times or even saved. Instead, choose a specific time limit, like 3 or 5 seconds. This will make it a one-time view snap. After that, you can add text, stickers, or filters if you liked. When you're ready, tap on Send To at the bottom right. Select your friend or chat, and then tap Send. That's it. Your snap will now disappear after being viewed once.